Hey guys, picked up a Paradox Muffler Signature Series. Here is the website. I know you guys can see that sticker. We got 2013 F150 EcoBoost 3.5 with a resonator delete, muffler delete, 3-inch exhaust all the way back from the cats. It's a single with the Paradox Performance Signature Series. 3-inch in and out. Check it out, I like it. I've tried Flowmaster and glass packs, but I like this the best. Here's a startup for you. As you can see, it bells out once the turbos wind down from startup. I'm gonna rev it up a couple times, but it gets quieter as it heats up, but it sounds good with really no drone going down the road. Alright guys, there it is, Paradox Performance Series, Signature Series I mean. Check it out, website one more time. Alright guys, go ahead and pick up one.